Well, we got a coach whip caught up in a one of my bird netting that blew off during a mild hurricane we had through here. Anyway, let me see if I can get it going. Helper on the house. He may be doomed already. He's really caught up here. Oh, alive. You know what? I'm gonna have to get a pair of scissors. He's attached. He's really caught up in here.
Here, I'll go get the scissors.
I got it. I need those soft webs so I'll get him. He's in bad shape. Terrible on me. I can't believe this. But like I said, it blew off that tree over there, and I didn't see this one. There's another one on that side there that I got to get a hold of. He's still alive. I'll get him out of there, hopefully without hurting him. Where is his head? See him? Oh, I'm gonna help. I'm gonna try to help you, brother. Okay, I need you around here. You're very important to us here. See, it's kind of... Yeah, you can see where you've been struggling greatly to get out of here. Poor guy. They're twisting and turning. I don't know, I'm going to get it out there. Maybe cutting him. He's kind of damaged there. His skin is kind of... Yeah, what a... I need to get this thing up. It's so terrible. I feel bad. Trying to get you out, little guy. One snip at a time. Yeah, he's in there so tight that some of these are really bearing down in there. No, guy, no. He's not happy, that's for sure. He's not a happy camper. Oh, boy. Hold on, guy. As long as he's not coming back through any more of it, is he? I can't see his head right now.
His head's out.
Yeah, as long as he's not trying to come back towards me through this stuff. And getting in deeper. Trying to pull on my leg. I know, guy. Just stay down there. Trying to get you out. Get him. See how well he kind of stretched out a little bit, so that's good. But still in there tight. Try to keep his head underneath there so he doesn't try to. It's not venomous, but I don't want him. There's one section. Got one out. I'm gonna have to grab his head here in a minute.
I can't see his head anymore.
Yeah, he's tucked down in there. I just don't want to try to come back through the mesh and get in again. Golly. What a disaster. There's one little... Got that one. See, this is slick in here. See him try to get me? Did you see him try to get me? He thinks that I'm... He went up and tried to get me. I'm trying to help you, brother. I know, but you don't understand. There, I got that one. Oh boy.
Man, she really got in there.
Yeah. Feels so bad. I'm gonna have to get my other glove on and put it around his head. I try to use the scissors still with the glove on. See if I can get... Ah, look at her. She struck it. What was that? Now she's in... See, that's what I didn't want to have her happen, was her getting in there deeper.
Can you just pull her out?
What? No. She's in so deep. Come on, baby. Let me get you out. Now even her mouth is in there now, see?
Here, let me cut that.
Here, go ahead and take the camera off. Just turn it off. Just cut. Okay, Joanne. Joanne did a great job of cutting her out while I held her. Just got to get this out of her mouth now. Come on, baby. Let it go. Let it go. Come on. I don't know. Maybe we can cut that little piece. Just... I don't know. We got to get it out of there. We got to get it all the way out of her mouth because she's going to end up with it stuck in there, I think. Come on. Just open your mouth. Open your... She's been striking at me, but no. Hold on. So I can get her to open her mouth. She's got it in her grasp there. Come on, baby. There you go. Come on. Open up. Try not to pull. Oh, excellent job, Joanne. Did we get it all? I think we did, right? See, she was kind of damaged there. All right, girl. You ready to go? Huh? Ready? Come on. This stuff is going in the trash. I'm not. It feels so bad. Oh, she almost went back through that other one. Oh my God, what is going on? What are you doing, Don?
She's gone.
Yeah. Thank you, Joanne. Good job. Perfect.